हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम बॅक टू अवर चॅनल. आज आपण बघणार आहोत क्लास 6 हिस्ट्री चॅप्टर नंबर 1 द इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट्स अँड हिस्ट्री याची एक्सरसाइज म्हणजेच क्वेश्चन आणि आन्सर. तसेच आपल्या चॅनलवरती बाकीच्या क्लासचे तसेच बाकीच्या विषयांचेही व्हिडिओ आहेत. त्याची लिंक मी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये दिलेली आहे, तिथून तुम्ही बघू शकता. चला तर मग लगेचच व्हिडिओला सुरुवात करूया.
Exercise. Question number 1. Answer the following in one sentence. First, what is history? Answer. History is a coherent account of the significant post events in the progress of human culture. Second, where do human settlements flourish? Answer. Human settlements have flourished wherever the means of living are plentiful. Third, what do the people in the hilly region depend on for their food? Answer. In hilly regions, people depend more on hunting and gathering for their food. Fourth, which is the earliest civilization in India? Answer. Harappa civilization is the earliest civilization in India. Question number 2. Answer the following questions in one shot. First, what does human life depend on? Answer. All the human life in any region depends to a large extent on its geographical characteristics. Second, what features of our surroundings form the means of our livelihood? Answer. The climate, rainfall, agricultural produce, flora and fauna of the region where we live are the sources of our livelihood. Third, which region is known as the Indian subcontinent? Answer. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and India together form the region known as South Asia. Considering the expanse and significance of India in this region, it is also known as the Indian subcontinent. Question number 3. Give reasons. First, there is a close relation between history and geography. Answer. There is a relation between history and geography because time, place, society, and individuals are the four major pillars of history. Of these four components, place is related to geography or geographical conditions. In this sense, history and geography are inseparable. History is influenced by geographical conditions in many ways. Second, people are forced to leave their settlements. Answer. People are forced to leave their settlements because sometimes reasons like the degradation of the environment, drought, invasions, etc. lead to the scarcity of those means. People are forced to leave their settlements. Question number 4. Explain the difference in the human life in the hilly regions and that on the plains. Answer. The people in hilly regions is more strenuous than that of the people on the plains. Not much fertile land is available in the hilly regions, while in the plains it is available on a large scale. This is why grains and vegetables are scarce in hilly areas. In comparison, people on the plains get them in a sufficient measure. Question number 5. Observe the physical map of India and answer the questions based on it. First, which mountain ranges lie in the north of India? Answer: Himalaya mountain. Second, which are the routes to India from the northeast? Answer: Khyber and Bolam. Third, where do the Ganga and Brahmaputra meet? Answer: Bay of Bengal. Fourth, name the islands to the east of the Indian peninsula. Answer: Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Fifth, in which part of the India do we see the Thar Desert? Answer: Rajasthan, Haryana and some part of Gujarat.
व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर तुमच्या मित्रांसोबत शेअर करा, तसेच व्हिडिओला लाईक करा. धन्यवाद.